Greetings! As I reflect on my first year as president of Saginaw Valley State University, I want to express my gratitude for your dedication and unwavering support.
The warmth and kindness we have observed over the past year have been truly inspiring. We are so proud and grateful to be part of the Cardinal community.
We wish you a joyful holiday season filled with warmth, laughter, and happy memories with your loved ones.
Happy holidays, and thanks for a wonderful year.